Alright, we're at the Farmington Trail again. Today's video is going to be about the Prime Day sale that Velotric is having later this month. And it goes through July 5th. I'll put the actual dates in the video. I will have a coupon code that you can use to save some money if you decide to pick up any of the bikes that they have on sale this Prime Day. Now the Velotric Discover 3 that I'm riding today, the Tempo, the GoMad, the Summit 2, and the Discover M, they're all the regular price, but they do have free offerings with it, like a free gift basket, I believe, and maybe some other stuff. I think the biggest deal right now, stand by. So the sale is going on from June 17th through July 5th. One of the biggest deals right now is the T1 ST Plus, which is list price at $16.49, but they have it on sale right now or they'll have it on sale during the Prime Day sale for $13.49. So that's $300 off, plus you get a free rear rack and fender pack and a range extender battery. So for $13.49 you get the range extender, the rear rack, and the fenders. So that's a pretty good deal. The Summit 1, regularly $19.99, is on sale for $17.99, but you get the free rear rack and fenders, which are limited stock, so if you're interested in that bike, you'll want to pick it up right away. The Fold 1, retail price $14.99, but it will be on sale for $9.99. That's $500 off the e-bike, plus you get a free Velotric half twist throttle with that deal. A lot of people like swapping their thumb throttle out for half twist throttle, so they're going to provide one with the Fold this time around. So those are the biggest sales right now. The Breeze, which Jessica's riding today, on sale for $16.99, and that includes the rear rack and see, this is really hard to do while you're riding. $16.99 with the free rear rack and free fenders. The Fold 1 Plus, regularly $19.99, on sale for $17.99. So $200 off that, and you get the free Velotric rear rack pannier bag with that one. That's the Fold 1 Plus. The Nomad 2. What is MTC and non-MTC? I don't know what that is. Well, it's going to be $200 off with the free rear rack pannier bag. And then we have the Triker, which I'm going to be putting a video out about that very soon. $23.99, so it's regularly $24.99. It's on sale for $23.99, $100 off. And then you get a free gift box worth over $130. The Discover 2, regularly $19.99, is going to be on sale for $16.99, so $300 off that e-bike. Let's see, the Discover 3 and Discover M, free Velotric top bag plus phone mount and a free gift box. The top bag and phone mount is $139.99 value, and the gift box is $139.99 value. That was for the Discover M and Discover 3. I think same deal there. The Summit 2 comes with a free rear rack and the gift box. Sorry, I don't have my phone holder, so I'm going and talking at the same time. Luckily it's in the middle of the day and there's nobody here. Tempo, no sale price there, but you do get a free Tempo rear rack and a gift box with that. And then the GoMad, free rear rack and free front rack, sorry, and the Velotric gift box. So those are all the sales. I'll put them all on the screen so you guys can see everything. I just wanted to mention that at the beginning of the ride because that's what this video is about, the sale. Now we're going to ride the flagship bike. Out of all the bikes that I've ever ridden, the Discovers are one of my favorites. The Discover 3, if you don't want to mess with shifting, I would definitely pick this over the Discover M. Discover M, you're shifting a lot, but it is a hill climber. So if you live in a hilly area, you might want the Discover M. But the Discover 3 is a wonderful bike. Same riding ergonomics as the Discover M. Almost the exact same bike other than the type of motor that it has. I'm going to be making a video about the Discover M. I have to replace the front air forks. The top fender bolt is stripped out, so the only way to fix that is to either tap and redo it or just get a whole new fender. So Velotric sent me a replacement fender. We're gonna swap that out on video, grease it up so it stops squeaking, and give it the right torque spec when we're tightening it down. So if you are interested in the Velotric bikes, the big thing with them is you can go test them out at any dealership. If you do want to do direct to consumer, you can do that as well. It'll be shipped directly to your house and you can assemble it. Assembly is very easy. They have instructions on how to do everything. If you have any questions, feel free to email me and ask me. I can help you out. But yeah, I am a big fan of the Discover bikes. That's why I took this one out today. I haven't ridden it since my initial review, so I figured, hey, it's time to take it out and talk about it a little bit. So I've seen a lot of people wondering if they should get a Discover M or a Discover 3, or if they should get a Discover 3 or a Summit, or a Discover M or a Summit. It's really hard to decide, I know. I would not be able to decide. Luckily, I have all of them, so I don't have to. But it is hard for me to decide which one to take out when I want to go for a nice casual stroll like I am today. But the Discover 3 is always there and ready for me to go, and I love taking it with me. I was a huge fan of the Discover 1 when I reviewed that. I knew when I reviewed that Velotric was going to be a standout company with great products and great customer service. So you are paying a little bit more than you would for a budget bike, but you are getting a 2-year warranty and the option to take it to a dealer if anything goes wrong. They have 2,000 plus locations around the country. Let's downshift here, get up this hill. Now the Discover M, I did ride it on this trail, and it is so much easier climbing these hills than the Discover 3, I'll tell you that. I don't ever have to downshift as far as climbing hills. I can just pedal and it'll go. But with the Discover M, you do have to shift a lot. So when you come down to a stop, you do really need a downshift. You don't have to, but it makes it a lot easier to take off. And when you do shift, you do have to let go of the pedals. You got to stop pedaling when you're shifting or you'll mess up the drivetrain. So there's just a little bit of a learning curve with the Discover M. But if you don't want to deal with any of that and you just want a nice casual ride where you don't have to think about shifting all the time and you just want to ride, the Discover 3 is a good option for that. But any Velotric bike that you decide to go with, you will be happy. They're all very well made, ride really good. They all got the comfort package now, and the swept back handlebars makes it incredibly comfortable to ride this thing. Are you listening to music?
Yeah.
Cool. Do you like?
You?
No, I'm talking.
I supposed to turn there?
No? I don't know where that goes. I mean, we could have. Okay, I'm going back. Oh,
Okay, bye.
something just ran in the thing.
Well, don't do that.
Wasn't me. It was an animal.
An animal?
Yeah, I heard something. Sorry, we had the walkie-talkie helmets on by Lumos Sonoris. Kickstarter campaign is live for that right now. So if you guys are interested in picking up some nice smart helmets with integrated lighting and turn signals and music and walkie-talkie feature, I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. I didn't make a full video about these helmets, so if you are interested, I'll stick it up here on the screen for you. Check out that video after this one. But yeah, the Prime Day sale is coming up. I'm sure there's plenty of other companies that will be having sales as well. But it looks like Velotric's stepping up their game and offering some really good prices on their older models. Probably trying to liquidate and get rid of some of them. You know, since we are replacing like the Discover 2 with this. So yeah, I would definitely jump on this sale. There's not going to be very many of those left, and I don't even know what colors are available or anything, so you'll have to check their website if you're interested, or call your dealers and see what they have. But support your local bike shops. That's a big thing, and I definitely would recommend going that route, especially if you have no mechanical ability, or if you can't take care of the bikes yourself, your maintenance or changing flats or anything like that. It's nice to be able to take it somewhere to have them do that. If you're like me and you have the mechanical ability to repair your bike if something goes wrong, or even assemble it, then direct to consumer is where it's at. Every Velotric bike I've had, if it did have any damage from the factory, they will take care of you and ship you out the parts. They have wonderful customer service. Lots of accolades as far as reviews go. If you go to their Facebook group, see a lot of people talking about their bikes. Jessica is riding the Purple Breeze. That one is on sale. They do have I think it's $100 or $200 off right now for that bike, and she loves it. And everybody loves the Breeze that I've seen. My buddy Ken has a Discover M that we did the interview with. He also has the Breeze, and so does his wife. They both really love those bikes. They have 750 watt nominal motors, so lots of power. They do offer front suspension for the Breeze that you can purchase separately, but it does not come with that. Yeah, I absolutely love riding my Discovers just because of the pedaling experience that you get with these. But yeah, the heat index is supposed to be like 102 today. I think, what time is it? 2:20 right now. I think right around 3 to 4 it's going to be really hot. But on this trail it's mostly shaded, so you don't have to worry about overheating here. You can stop in the shade if you need to. Jessica's got her water bladder in her bag with the straw that hangs over so she can drink while she rides. I brought my Owala, my Star Wars Owala, so I'll have to stop to take a drink. But I'm doing pretty good. I'm not even sweating with the Breeze. Not the Breeze, but the Breeze. I feel pretty cool. Now this is a 15-mile long trail. The last time I was here I brought both the trikes. I only did like 10 miles total going the other direction to test those out. I really like the trike though. It's so much different than a bike. And you don't have to worry about like steering so much, as you can just like kind of sit here and coast and not have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry about leaning the turn. You know, if you want to be lazy for a day, the Triker is awesome. Or if you just don't have a really good mobility and you want to make sure you're safe, if you don't have good balance, the Triker is definitely a good option, and they have that on sale as well. I rode the Triker several times around my neighborhood, and I knew it was going to be awesome when I brought it to the trail. Now I got the Young Electric track rack, so I can go anytime with those, and I can also throw one in the van, or you know, just do whatever I want. I can bring bikes and a trike if I want. But I really enjoyed the Velotric Triker. But I'm almost done with that video. All I gotta do is record the outro, the final thoughts, and I gotta record the final thoughts on the track rack as well, and both of those videos will be ready to go. But yeah, if you guys are interested in checking out the Prime Day sale, I will leave a link in the description, and I will have a coupon code, so Check out all the Velotric bikes by clicking that link, and if you're interested in any of them, you can use my coupon code to save you a little bit of money. But that'll do it for this video. This is just going to be a quick one talking about the Prime Day sales. If you have any questions, of course, you can leave it down in the comments section. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Lots of Velotric content coming out, plus a bunch of other stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.